Create a watertight bead where the vinyl tile meets the bathtub to stop water from seeping into the gap. Start by cleaning the joint thoroughly with a household cleaner that removes soap scum and oils, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry for at least 15 minutes to ensure adhesion. Remove any old caulk or grout using a caulk remover tool or a razor scraper held flat so you do not gouge the tub or the vinyl edge. Apply painter tape along the tub and along the vinyl to frame the joint and keep a crisp line. Place the tape so the final bead will be centered over the gap. Use a high-quality 100% silicone caulk formulated for bathrooms and color matched to either the tub or the vinyl. Cut the cartridge tip to a 1/4 inch opening and apply in a continuous steady motion, slightly angling toward the joint. Tool the bead immediately with a damp finger or a silicone finishing tool to compress the caulk into the gap and create a smooth concave profile that sheds water. Keep a bowl of water with a drop of dish soap nearby to wet your finger and prevent sticking. Remove the painter tape before the caulk skins over and allow the full cure time recommended on the tube, usually 24 hours, before exposing to heavy water to ensure full adhesion. Common mistakes include using the wrong caulk like a bathroom silicone that is not formulated for adhesion to vinyl or missing the tub edge when cutting back old material. Fix this by choosing a labeled bathroom or marine silicone and taking your time to fully remove residue. Another issue is over-applying caulk, which creates a messy, uneven seal that traps dirt and peels prematurely. Apply a small, consistent bead and tool it smooth so excess runs onto the tape, not the surfaces. A third problem is not allowing surfaces to dry or rushing the cure time, which weakens the bond and invites leaks. Wait the recommended dry and cure periods and avoid cleaning agents that leave residues before caulking. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to compare approaches for jobs like bathroom waterproofing, so we can find professionals that fit our needs. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips and troubleshoot details of finishes and materials together.